Alright, figured that out. Basically, just needed to give it a little bit more manpower with the old rubber mallet, and it popped right out. But I put it back in just to show you. Also, I did put the outer barrel back on for now. You remember I slid it off and it revealed the inner barrel, but because the inner barrel couldn't be removed, it was kind of loose and wobbly, and while I'm being rough with this thing, I didn't want to mess up or ruin the barrel or the hop up or anything because it was a little loose. So I just put the outer barrel back on to protect that for the time being. So again, we will just take our pin, pop it out, and send our recoil guide, spring guide flying. Yeah, so you want to not have babies in the room. Luckily my baby's in the other room, and just for that very reason, parts flying, spring loaded. Alright, so that's that. Now we got our pin out of there. Let's see. And this piece just comes right off. And so set that aside. Now let's do some more exploring. This you can see this little metal piece here. It pull that out, and it basically, well, just takes out the blowback unit here. You can see it's pretty oily. That's one thing to keep in mind, is I'm guessing all of their rifles come like this so they preserve the seals when they're waiting to be shipped out, but they use quite a bit of oil in here. So you may get some of that in your hop up, and may make things a little too slippery to put enough backspin on the BB. So you might need to clean that out, swab out your inner barrel and your hop up, clean that out. Alright. So we'll probably, I don't know if we're going to mess a whole lot with the air nozzle here and the blowback unit. Well, we're not going to do anything about it today, but just checking it out here. Alright, so now what? Let's see if we can get this. Oh, that just popped right out. You'll remember that I had already gone through and pulled out any spring I could find. Spring or not spring, screw. And looks like we making some progress here.